What's going on with the dog here? The new automatic feeder is not working out. Okay.
You can't. It doesn't just give you food whenever you put your paw on it. I'm sorry.
He ain't trying to understand that shit.
It feeds you at regular
She got a
intervals.
time to feed it.
3
He ain't
times
trying to
a
hear
day.
that. He just know food.
Yeah.
He ain't trying. They ain't trying to
I
hear
don't
that.
have anything for you. Go on. Go on.
That dog ain't trying to hear that shit. They know. See, they smart. They know the damn food come out the
I have
dispenser.
nothing. Sorry.
They wonder why it ain't coming out now. It was coming out before. Now why the fuck it ain't coming out now? He ain't trying to understand that shit. What the fucking time on my goddamn food?
It will feed you again at noon.
He ain't trying to hear that noon. He ain't trying to hear like shit noon. But do I get a damn
Bubba,
snack?
I'm sorry.
Like shit. I ain't trying to hear this shit either. No snack in between. Meals, shit. I feel you, buddy. Watch that again.
That isn't how it works. You can't. It doesn't just give you food whenever you put your paw on it. I'm sorry. It feeds you at regular intervals. 3 times a day. Yeah. Sorry. I don't have anything for you. Go on. Go on. Yeah. Go on. I have nothing. Sorry. I'm sorry. I have nothing. I'm sorry. It will feed you again at noon. Bubba's, I'm sorry. You're breaking my heart.